sare nyorali chibu asomrobilyo bubugima nobo cheno asora bigo kumeni wanaba njegitari bamarwire ao Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Nesa tomutinye kominomo chinsa ikomigoro mangana maya asenchira yobwenge ayanga tinari nkwariganiretie indi nchiko komanya buna endete kwatika korwa chingongo awori tari anenje nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Mwancho mulgirelia amaya chinsa ikomi ni gotogonya chakabaona korwege se county ya Nairobi ase mwakiri Danstan Omari aikire bose wegambero kia milimani aigeme county ya Nairobi kobeke kinagyo kwamelia gochika agwe kiombekeria epura ekyoya chiki abakore menwo bechigali chia matatu gotabogoria gosego ikia hababiria chinsemo ochio kobekera mabuta gosase biteseni ibya mabuta.
The owners of Matatu, the employees of the Matatu sector have talked. Wakili has talked. Our petition is coming up on Wednesday. So if EPRA wants Matatus not to be in petrol stations, that circular must be to every petrol station in the territory called Kenya. 2, if EPRA is the one that licenses petrol stations, and according to their letter, which I'm issuing to the media, petrol stations are only filling and refilling of fuel. Questions of garages, which are in petrol stations. Questions of
Nagos kamutu mwancho mulgirelia nigo murebwe kyama keria gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua akorere umukio monene obu okwameria usoko ke campaign ko mwakire campaign Newton Karioki gwe kyama gya DCP oyo okuriye kiruke bochumbe bwensemo yebunge ya mbere noti bosio bobochorio boke obu bokagera gokorekana insemo tukamakara moto Gachagua nigo ate awatogira amenyi bensemi yokoba ngabantu bumukio monene asebona atebiringa ne ochikobeke kambia matuko ikomi asenseme yo kwene kinga murone gwe kyama gya DCP nkonyora rubuwi asobo robo ke obere motwe
atakuwa namba 3
Onene boro emunga muno
Nigiokire
aya
togalia goya lande
karibu sana asante karibu karibu sana
maondo maito mahia nane
huko liko hole
liko
kawaida
hau
aya tunafanya aya atio dogi
area bunge ni nani no
momeje kanto agena ko momeje
wewe karisi lego
nonge to ule kita
wewe ndo ndani Lori wewe wana
kwa hiyo mtongolia
eli uya nande
ego shuku
eria
eli weka mwana tuende kwa na tunjawahi ona kitu kama hii hii ni maajabu mbele
niko hapa
uko hapa fanya tukamate na mikono yote
mtu yangu anaenda mambo yake kuna namna gani
ipo
sige deru Umesikia?
Kalinda tiako
na togosika mutumu wancho mugere wikese county area ya Nyamira niko bono hegati yabagaka kurwe ebunge area ya Borabu besokirie na kuraga bororo aba MCA kurwe wose kurwe county ya Nyamira asokorete area gatatu omuswada gwo kumurusio BC omugabana gwe county eyo Amos Nyaribo asaba tebirenga tiganya ribo akore emyaka yaye abisi amaye cya kugendera nemeswada ende yabo abagaka abo kurwa ensemeria ya mekenene niko obatebebuna ikyotaje gitambekere kiana baigo nigitambokero kebosoku ase county eyo ya Nyamira
Erita ne anguru kweva sinyaberi achoki engagere magunga ara gotebia abagusi baito itongo no gaywa mware ko irangora na gotware ko bugaywa obai musiye ba Nyamira mwaretire obosoku nande mwaretire amangana atari amaya agocha gotokurira Nyamira mukareta impeachment entangani mukarete ya kabiri mwaretire ya gatatu obo maene bwa mangana igo mutagete tusamuri chibando twasimegete mugondo ege kwera tukuburugera togese naraba tigeike chinkaki unabono mwari goratigo amangana ya mubwata impeachment amatuka abeira make bono nchigotendo chokorire asa gokorera nira chitura gite cyatoreteire turahita chi constituency chinde gwete bose chi county chinde chitura gite chi hamosi aretire karende mburangi ngine ti aya naete abaye musiye onye mwanja abaye musiye onye mwanja umerana kwana ringana ikokonya Nyamira yeinu
Nyamira yatoirwo bwoba utagocokia mugabano itu ya swali ya tatu ekenege kone no yena mungwano itoyo usuka guchia ekero kia igoro mu speaker igakwana bono segiterie ko be Nyamira kurugo munuoye wona ndega to kire to kuna na ende nkobeka bale kujikurusinya libo nebikone sana na nda yatele mutari magenderero chitinga tu atagite cyakire kipara kurema inaro yiji komnyoganya iranga itinge komnyoganya range kurema timanye tiese acha magosa nyaliba kali nyalibo to otoretire obwaro basa tuikeirie
na enderende tokirete nga tokorere emirimo chitinga cyakire na yende abaye musiye aya bagokora na arari kuchia cyakirende mbare gutiga chikore na inda abantu tumanya nga ya nchikore ti seita na abande batebe nchikore ti seita angana lito goteba nga inkikire ono nonye no muchikomenyete buo abana bachake obutirigo ryuka oko batebiti bari gwanja kono igoturuche nk'umucyo ituri kobabiya
na bosika mutu mwanchu mugeria togotigara imeye county ya Nyamira niko bono omundu wanereria obwe ekerego kyobwe MCA kurwa se wodi ya Nyamaya bose bwachoria boke bwe kitarike 25 onaibere esokire na kugikiria bororo abarwaneri baye bose abarwaneri bari bande abakubure bibande bunenchira yamo yogo kya kwana kyo bibigwe kikura asobochoria boke gerego karekana amatuko amakare mutwe okwana akorwa ensemeri yegesieri nigo nonyanigo munyancha agigose egosere bororo na goichanira ebikora byamenyi ibe wodi ya Nyamaya koni bande byabo eriyo bichigotumeka asenga kiyo bwakibwe kikura
ya samareta ngo kona le Richard Munyanja ngwageranya sayembu yamono senge nyama tuko toroche na ndengwe ra kare urubono mpaka litiko election tubata matuko kianda twatale buya ndoraro aseyende yonsi ingeri abantu mbaro boboire baganya kugura ibande by'abantu twase tukoba strong warning nga kora kibande ky'omuntu tana no burayi bw'omuntu kwagora asenge njo burayi nyasawo kurwa nda abantu bamanyire ibintu twente ko bakorera nda abantu bachorira burayi bo abachorira umurayi generi tukobaganyete erinde baje gutipitisha umurayi bonemo bona ngeri ngote by'abanyamaye nyasawo baire engakeno nere mosoke mu echorira umurayi muntu tayo waje ko batena chora nyagete gose chora nyagete enenga ki eno numwe kabanyene ase obongaini bwino no manyi bwino mogosoge tuotale sina saba mambia ochoro murayolia ora okoregasi unabona nyama ya tonto maetenga chindo chando etasba kunywa manji ne chimbechire chipara ne chimbechire birasi bcd mbio ikokonyoro umwana otara kurunye bite tulubani mpaka gesieri omwana ochake sukuru eyere gasi ngongwa sabana baotara chikiro mtachinyinge ochikolike service ya cd classes ya abantu bonsi nende yo osemeri ainaronda abatebye kera chinyaki chekire muntu abasiko bagosa tumaitengo etana bale chinyomba bakubule ibande beno tiawanje na koni obo uhuru yawo kera dazu ya democratic lighting nayo wendo chiwake kure okomweke bande ikokobunire chinguru chao choso ko chiwake kibande na bali bagonya komyoka bunaho twagolere munyanja ose munyanja into support munyanja nonde les na ndi ninje na mwete ko boli burayi na ndi muntu teyongone liburayi na ndabantu mbamaite nonde na ndi tyagonya ko ba propaganda teyo buna naho niri na support linyegete onya na support lyo muntu ngoja wasi support yo muntu je nonda series onya kwarole yakolemere njo support munyanja chikambe jibeje serikali ne opposition mugonya komyoka
na gusika mutu mwancho mugereria ni gabona abawakiri kurusagero irwa na kurubesa okirie na kurwa ekokobo chia ase abawakiri bande kokora bochori bwendete bosyo bochori bwa ekyombekeri kya LSK goselo South of Kenya abwo mwaka w'ikibere na 2025 onomo 2026 mwancho mugereria ekyombekeri kya LSK niko kokora bochori bwaye esegeka gyakira emyaka ibere
na langu ni kuonya ya kwamba wale ambao ni wa LSK members ambao ni lawyers wengine wetu lakini lawyer ambaye atawakilisha LSK ambaye ako na ubinafsi. Tumeona Charles Kanjama kwa mara mingi sana asimamii haki za kibinadamu. Mfano, wakati wa Gen Z Protect ambao waliuliwa, wengine wako hospitalini, wengine wamekuwa disabled, hatujamuona yeye akijitokeza kama vile wengine wake tumeona wakijitokeza kusaidia kwa kesi either pro bono services ama hata kuzungumuza kuwahusu ama kujitokeza kwenye barabarani kutetea haki za kibinadamu katika jinsi zilivyo katika katiba yetu ya Kenya 2010. La pili, Charles Kanjama ana nia njema na nchi yetu. Manake wanaomfadhili ni International Family Watch ambao ni watu ambao hawana malengo mazuri ya kuhakikisha kwamba article chapter 4 of the Constitution of Kenya is implemented effectively. We've seen them propagate problematic statements about what our family looks. And we are saying that if we are having to have Kanjama as the president, then the Constitution of Kenya will be under siege. We are also seeing Kanjama being a proponent of the government. We've seen him severally in boardroom meetings with the President of the Republic. And we know that we are getting into elections. We don't want 2027 election to look like what is happening in Tanzania because of lack of a strong LSK in this country. So we are urging the members of the LSK, please elect a leader who has integrity, elect a leader who values the principles of governance, elect a leader who is also visionary for the constitutional implementation.
na gusika mutu mwancho mugereria anigobone wizara ayobore minetugo amana abwatani bekyombekere gitari ya serikali bakorera bikaro ime yo mu Nairobi ase bakwanire emechando ao erikwa bwatrania ime yo bonchororia oboremi naboigo etugo gwikarana asege karekyo omwaziri ebwoboremi amonetugo ime yense ya Kenya Mudai Kagwe nigo abayenekere nga emechando yabo yonsi inechi kolgero gikarekyo nyanigo nigo gikerwa no mwaziri omonekure kigancha keria gosini omwabiso monekure kigancha kerekyo ni bo yense ya Kenya Chris Kipto aigeme mochi o Nairobi.
So when you don't match revenues, what happens? You have to borrow, and you have borrowed more. Some of you, if you know the history, in 2012, 2013, we were rated a country of low debt distress, and our debt carrying capacity was high. By 2018, that had changed to Libya. And by 2020, we were rated a country of high debt distress. In other words, high possibility of risk of default. And from 2021, when we started having an IMF program, we have been now pursuing on how to address debt vulnerability. Hence what we call fiscal consolidation. And fiscal consolidation has meant that we are trying to reduce budget deficit so that we try as much as possible to balance the budget. And we succeeded. 2021, our budget deficit.
The business community sitting around here come together and speak from one position. I'm happy about the agro dealers. As I said, again, if you speak from one position, particularly with the listing of the 47 county lists that you have, we can engage immediately to put you on the distribution list for the subsidized fertilizers. The second issue that as an ask I have for you is communication. Communication, particularly from our
subsidized fertilizer program. Slowly it's beginning to function well, and I know, but unfortunately, some of our private sector players, including One Acre Fund, have had to close down a number of their shops because they can't compete with subsidized fertilizer. So somehow, PS, you've got to find a way of getting private sector distribution involved in the fertilizer distribution. We've spoken about this several times, but maybe we can meet you again, PS, to talk about how to get people like One Acre Fund and all the agrovet shops who are now out of the fertilizer game back in the game.
Mwa nchumugiria chatochideka 15 mo igori chinsa 10 chiabono margoba nabwe nongo ikera moeri bo mangana mayese ntira yo gwenye kuregeteseni kia okiabene against Soko TV kwa karanga memo no soko charobendra tegeregeteseni kia okiabene aiga nogwe somya na kwemanye amange bunabe ntagwatika kurwa chingongo au chinsa 10 igoro Thomas gosuka ko chinsa 10 mo igoro muri bongo ya mare kungo chirere yema asayemo nere edunyanga umwana mboka inda motenge na gochengamo asentira aye chingero ochiekerero Chekuru kwa Daniel Mwaga aba ngemega yemenyoncho kwene kinga mariogi amone kibicha wikara sinche yabokanu ntolde Ibrana Chaka ama director Zak Toro Margoba Oromotwerel